Greedy. Wanting more than you need, especially food, money, or possessions. Don't be greedy, share the cake with me. I am not greedy, I just want a little more. Jealous. Feeling unhappy or upset because you want what someone else has. He gets jealous when I talk to other guys. He looked jealous when I won the prize. Polluted. Dirty and unsafe because of smoke, trash, or chemicals. Many people got sick from the polluted water. The sky looks gray because the air is polluted. Abandoned. Something or someone that has been left alone or given up by the owner, people, or group. Someone abandoned the baby near my door. The puppy was abandoned on the street. Crowded. Too many people in one place. The market was crowded today. The train was too crowded, so I waited for the next one. Talkative. Someone who talks a lot, often more than necessary. She is the most talkative in our group. You're talkative today. Did something good happen? Whole. Complete, entire, or full, not divided or broken into parts. I ate the whole pizza by myself. He read the whole book in one night. Stubborn. Refusing to change your mind or behavior, even when it's unreasonable. You're too stubborn to admit you're wrong. Stop being stubborn and eat your vegetables. Clumsy. Someone who often drops things, bumps into things, or moves in an awkward or careless way. I am so clumsy today. I just spilled my coffee again. He tripped over the rug. He's always so clumsy. Punctual. Arriving or doing something at the exact or expected time, without being late. He wasn't punctual, so the boss scolded him. Please be punctual or we will miss the train.